This is GLE 400. It's a 2019 GLE 400 4MATIC. So I have this service be exceeded message on my dash, and it's overdue by days, not by mileage, and I want to reset it so that it quits coming on because my wife is not enjoying it. So now, using the up and down arrow on the left side of the steering wheel, I'm going to move through the different screens until I find the mileage, which is what that one is right there. And once you're on that screen, that's the correct screen to get to the menu that you're looking for. So now I'm going to press the phone button along with the OK button at the same time. Really, if you want to press the phone button just slightly before you go to the OK button, otherwise it'll think you want to reset the odometer. So I'm going to set the camera here for a second and press these both at once for about 3 seconds. And I get this screen. And this screen is where we want to be. So now I'm going to go over here to the down button and click, click, click.
Parking mode on.
That's my camera. So now I'm going to hit OK. And that takes us into service data and full service. So we're going to go to full service, which is by clicking the down button. It took us to full service. You see the red line under the full service. We're going to hit OK. And then we're going to move the down button down until it says the bottom full serve one, and we're going to hit OK. And we're going to say that this oil was carried out. And it says it cannot be undone, so I'm moving down with the down button and confirming it. And I hit OK. So now we have accomplished the goal. So now make note that when I press on the brake and press the start button, I don't get that message anymore. So we're all fixed. Good luck. Hope this helps.